Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm back with another easy Steam app tutorial where you can learn how to add friends on Steam. Adding friends on Steam lets you play multiplayer games together, chat and share game content. First of all, open the Steam application on your device, whichever device you are using, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside your profile, look for Add Friends button and tap on it. On the next page, you will be able to see your friend code. If you want to share your friend code with someone, tap on the copy button right next to your friend code, and once the code is copied in your device's clipboard, share it with your friends via any messaging application, email, or simply ask them to enter your code. If you want to add friends from their code, go ahead and enter a friend code in the text box at the bottom. Once you find a friend in the search result, tap on the profile link button underneath their username, and then you'll end up in their profile. From their profile, tap on Add Friend at the top right in order to send them the friend request. Remember that if your account does not meet the requirement to send friend invites yet, then you can still add another user as a friend if they send you a quick invite link from their Add a Friend page. But if you're eligible, you'll be able to send the friend request right away. Once your friend accepts your request, you can chat with them in Steam, join games together, and see their online status. That's how you successfully add a friend on Steam. Now you can play games together, chat and enjoy the Steam community. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.